Attention all Illinois residents. The governor has activated the state of Illinois emergency alert system. Due to this is an urgent alert. Please take immediate action to protect yourself and your family. If you are in the affected area, evacuate immediately. If you are not in the affected area, stay indoors and away from window. Tune to local radio or a television station for further instructions. Please do not turn off your radio or television. Thank you for your cooperation. Attention all Illinois residents. This is an absolutely urgent alert. Please take immediate action to protect yourself and your family. Turn off your televisions immediately. Do not listen to the man on the television. This is a live alert. This is not a drill. Tune to local radio station for further instructions. This is an activation of the state of Illinois emergency alert system. Turn off your television. 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 Turn off